Welcome back to TFBTV, guys. IWA 2026, Nürnberg, Germany. Here we are at Armsan. I've got my friend Ibrahim over here. They have put a shotgun on a shotgun with a caveat. So Ibrahim's going to tell us all about it. So what is this, man?
So this is our modular pump action shotgun. So this is RSXM. So X is for our pump action models generally, and M for modular. So what we were thinking about this design is many of our customers are asking for anti-drone solutions lately. So we developed this design especially for that kind of purposes. So you can buy this gun in this way with this standard stock and this kind of accessory available for ends and much other details. So you can use it like a standard pump action gun. So if you need to use this gun, because it's modular for other purposes, you can just take the stock out. So it will be available for your AR-15 or any other Picatinny rail available forend. So you can just put it under your forend, tighten it, and you don't need any tools for it, and you're ready. 4-shot capacity here. It can be longer if you need. This is the minimum length. So for many of the ARs or 7.62s, 5.56 rifles, your barrel length will be almost equal with your existing barrel length over the rifle. So this is how it looks with our AK style shotgun. So this shotgun is especially for drone defense also because it has a longer barrel. We adjusted the gas ports, especially for heavy loads, and you have a longer magazine capacity. Double drone defense solution right now we are looking.
Yeah, so we've got the shotgun under a shotgun, but obviously this is to be attached for other platforms, AR-15s and 7.62s and whatnot. As long as you've got the Picatinny rail solution, even if you have the M-Lock, you'll have the adapters. You can attach this thing, which is pretty cool. You could also use this for pretty much for breaching solutions if you need to. Just keep in your backpack if you're on the stack and you want to breach, attach that, do it, and keep moving. Pretty cool system that you actually, so let me ask you this. Do you buy this separately or do you have to buy these two together?
However you want, actually. We are leaving this option to our customers. You can buy it together because it looks like more like a complete shotgun with this. But there is another advantage of this stock. You can buy it like, we have a grenade launcher. We don't have it here right now. But you can use this exact same stock with our grenade launcher also. Yeah. So you can buy one grenade launcher, one modular shotgun inside the pack, and one stock. Yeah. So you can use it with your grenade launcher or pump action gun, or under your rifle.
Good old master key system. So,
do
you guys have any contracts?
Yes, we have customers in U.S. like anti-drone guns to our ground forces and air forces in Turkey, and other governments also asking for such kind of products. We have some customers right now. We are in talk. It's not just few pieces, it's thousands of units for each country because everybody's running after some anti-drone solutions right now.
So what's the price on this? Just give me some rundown on it.
It's pretty new. So first year in this show of this product. So I can't tell you any exact price right now, but we are just talking back and forth with our customers and trying to understand their expectations. So sorry to not being able to answer this question.
No, that's quite all right. So you haven't imported it, obviously, to the United States yet? Do you guys import yourself?
No, because this is not available in every country because of its length and because of its tactical options. So it's not available for civil market in every country.
Okay. But you said it's available. You have customers in the U.S. You have customers in the U.S. right now for these?
They didn't buy it yet. They're asking for it and trying to find ways to buy it because it's not available for civil usage. Okay. But governments, police forces, ground forces, some the defense units are asking for it. Okay. So customers are kind of like trying to find solutions in their own way by talking with us.
Got it. All right, perfect. Well, I guess we'll be waiting to see if this is going to be coming to the U.S. sometime soon and what the price point will be. But it's certainly very impressive thing, and it seems like a pretty good solution. Nice modular system. So thanks a lot, Ibrahim.
Thank you, too.
Appreciate your time, guys. We'll see you on the next one.